Morning, Rino. I am very pleased to meet you in interview opportunity today. Okay, our theme today is about the environment. So I want to explore your knowledge about the environment.
Well, Nadila.
What is the environment?
The environment is everything that surrounds us, including humans, animals, plants, and nature.
What is environmental conservation?
Environmental conservation is the effort to preserve and uh, improve the condition of the environment so that it can continue to function properly.
Why thought why protection the environment?
Because a healthy environment is essential for our own lives and the lives of other organisms on Earth.
What area the impacts of environmental pollution?
The impact of the environmental pollution can lead to various health problems, damage to ecosystem, and loss of habitat for animals and plants.
What can be done to reduce environmental pollution?
Um, some steps that can be taken to reduce environmental pollution are reducing the use of harmful chemicals, increasing greenery, and practicing waste segregation.
What is recycling?
Recycling is the process of transforming used materials into reusable ones.
What, what are the benefits of recycling?
One of the benefits of recycling is that it reduces waste and conserves natural resources.
What is renewable energy?
Renewable energy is energy obtained from natural resources that can be replenished, such as wind, water, and sunlight.
What are the benefits of renewable energy?
The benefits of renewable energy are reducing the impact of global warming, right? Decreasing the reliance on fossil fuels and reducing energy costs.
Why is biodiversity conservation important?
Biodiversity conservation is important because it provides for economy, right? Ecological and social benefits.
What is a green zone?
A green zone is an area planted with vegetation that help clean the air and surroundings.
Can humans survive with a healthy environment?
I think no. Human need a healthy environment to thrive.
What are the impacts of this deforestation?
I think the impact of deforestation include natural disaster, right? Such as floods and landslides, as well as loss of habitat for animals and plants.
What is water conservation?
Water conservation is the effort to save water and maintain its quality.
What can be done to preserve the environment?
Uh, well, uh, some action that can be taken to preserve, right? The environmental include conserving natural resources, practicing waste reduction, increasing green space, and reducing the use of harmful chemical.
Yeah. What is meant by deforestation?
Deforestation is the process of large-scale cutting down of forests, which causes a significant reduction in forest area.
Why is it important to maintain biodiversity?
Well, biodiversity is important for maintaining ecosystem balance, providing natural resources, and supporting human life.
What is the impact of increasing greenhouse gas emissions?
Increased greenhouse and gas emission cause global warming, resulting in extreme climate change and rising global temperature.
How can you reduce the use of single-use plastic?
Uh, Reducing the use of single-use plastic can be done by using reusable items, or replacing plastic with environmentally friendly materials, and supporting the plastic reduction movement.
What is meant by air pollution and its impact on human health?
Air pollution is the presence of harmful substances in the air, right? Such as air pollutants, which can cause respiratory, respiratory cardiovascular diseases and other health problems in human.
How can you reduce the use of single-use plastic?
Reducing the use of single-use plastic can be done by using reusable items, or replacing plastic with environmentally friendly materials, and supporting the plastic reduction movement.
What is meant by air pollution and its impact on human health?
Air pollution is the presence of harmful substances in the air, right? Such as air pollutants, which can cause respiratory cardiovascular diseases and other health problems in human.
Why is it important to reduce the use of fossil fuels?
Right. Reducing the use of fossil fuels is important for reducing greenhouse gas emission and slowing global warming, as well as reducing air pollution and its negative impact on human health and the environment.
What is meant by recycling and why is it important?
Alright, recycling is the process of changing used materials into new production to reduce waste and use of limited natural resources. It is important to protect the environment and reduce its negative impact.
What is the role of forest in maintaining environmental balance?
Forests play an important role in maintaining environmental balance by providing oxygen, absorbing carbon dioxide, storing water, providing habitat for various species, and reducing soil erosion.
What is meant by the greenhouse effect?
The greenhouse effect is a natural phenomenon in which the Earth's atmosphere traps some of the sun's had emitted by the Earth's surface. But increased greenhouse gas emission, the humans have amplified this effect, causing global warming.
How can we protect environment space.
Okay, ways to protect endangered species include the establishment of conservation parks, strict regulation of the trade in protect animal and plants, and effort to preserve their natural habitat.
Okay, thanks you, Rino, for answering the questions in today's interview. I'm very happy to be able to interview you, and I hope you have have a nice day, and hope you come on other occasion.
Oh well, thank you, Nadila. I'm very happy too.